The Google Pixel 10 and Pixel 10 Pro have appeared in new, high-quality images that show the phones from every angle. These new leaks give us the clearest look yet at Google's upcoming phones. While Google already gave a small preview of the Pixel 10 series earlier, these detailed images confirm a lot of what we've heard and show us a few new things too. Starting with the regular Pixel 10, it comes in a new color called Frost. It looks fresh and modern. It's not a pure white, but more like a very light blue. It replaces last year's porcelain color and gives off a calm, clean look. It's perfect if you like simple and light phone colors. The Pixel 10 Pro, on the other hand, is shown in Obsidian. That's Google's version of black or dark gray. The Pro has a smooth glass back and a shiny metal frame. This gives the phone a premium look, even though it doesn't look very different from last year's Pro model. Looking at design changes, the Pixel 10 has a longer camera bar on the back compared to before. It also looks like it might get a third camera lens. If that happens, this would be the first regular Pixel to include a telephoto lens, which helps with zooming in clearly. Until now, only the Pro models had that. So this would be great news for people who want better camera features without having to buy the Pro version. As for the Pixel 10 Pro, it seems to keep the same overall shape and design as the Pixel 9 Pro. The size, body, and materials look about the same. Some people might like that because it's a familiar design, but others might be disappointed. Since it doesn't feel like a big change, both phones look well made. The Pixel 10 has a matte finish around the frame, and it blends nicely with the Frost color, making it look soft and stylish. The Pixel 10 Pro continues to feel like a high-end phone with its mix of glass and metal. When it comes to color options, previous leaks have shown more choices. The Pixel 10 might come in Obsidian, Indigo, Limoncello, and Frost. The Pro model might be available in porcelain, jade, moonstone, and obsidian. So whether you like dark, bold, or light colors, you'll probably find something you like. It's clear that Google isn't trying to completely change the look of the Pixel 10 series. Just like Apple and Samsung, they're keeping the basic design and improving small things. It's more about polishing what already works rather than starting from scratch. Some people agree with this approach, saying that there's no need to change something that's already good. But others were hoping for more creative changes, especially in the Pro model. If you like the Pixel 9's design, you'll probably like the Pixel 10 too. It's cleaner, a bit more refined, and possibly has a better camera setup. The updates might not be dramatic, but they make the phone better in small ways. These new renders give us a solid idea of what to expect when the phones launch. We don't see anything crazy or surprising, but the attention to detail and focus on improving the user experience are clear. Google seems to be listening to user feedback and making careful changes. So, do you like the new Frost color on the Pixel 10? Or were you expecting more from the Pro model's design? Share your thoughts in the comments. And if you're planning to buy the Pixel 10 or just want to learn more about it, make sure to stay tuned. We'll cover everything from specs and software to real-world camera tests. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe so you don't miss any updates.